morning student. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel with mathematics. Here we taught all types of mathematics, 10th, 12th, CBSE board, ICSE board and UP boards, and competitive mathematics, arithmetic mathematics solved by the tricks, and engineering mathematics with MBA, Polytechnic diploma, all type of mathematics we discuss my YouTube channel. And this series we teach today engineering mathematics with the topic Laplace transform. Laplace transform with convolution theorem. Let me start. The Laplace transform of convolution theorem I taught in previous videos. Definition of Laplace transform, all properties of Laplace transform, and some important questions of Laplace transform. Let me start. Convolution theorem of Laplace transform. We see that if Laplace of f1t equal to f1s and Laplace of f2t equal to f2s, then Laplace of integration 0 to t f1x f2t minus x dx equal to f1s and f2s. This is the convolution theorem. We prove that this theorem के Laplace of this term we find of this. Proof. We have definition of Laplace transform. Laplace of ft equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft and dt. Here we see that ft function this of this, place of this value in place of ft, because we find the Laplace transform of this value. So 0 to infinity e to the power minus st integration 0 to t value of this f1x or f2 t minus x dx and dt. Here we see that the double integrations. Here we see that double integration 0 to infinity integrating with respect to dt and 0 to t integration with respect to x. Here double integration in infinite region between the limit x equal to 0 to x equal to t, x equal to 0 to x equal to t. We taught in previous class, if the limit in the double integration 0 to infinity and 0 to t, then we see that limit of given in how to variable 0 to t. It means two variable. Here we see that two variable x and t when limit given in t. So we see that the term of t is constant. Term t is constant and integrating with respect to x. After then applying the limit 0 to t, then all function convert in t, then integrate with respect to t between the limit 0 to infinity. So here we see that limit given 0 to t. So we let the function of t is constant. Here we integrate with respect to x between the limit x equal to 0 to x equal to t. After then we integrate with respect to t between the limit t equal to 0 to t equal to, we draw the figure of this for integration of 0 to t. It means x equal to 0 and x equal to t. We see that x equal to t, two variable, no constant term, then graph, it is a straight line, this line. It means equation of this line x equal to t. We take the strip parallel to y-axis. It means horizontal strip. It means this. Value of this x equal to 0. Lower limit of x equal to 0 and upper limit x equal to t. Then second limit t equal to x. This region is infinite. It means t equal to infinity. We do not solve this question in the form of this is the original shape of this questions. We change the order of integration. We change the order of integration. It means we take the strip parallel to x-axis. Original strip is parallel to y-axis. We change the order of integration. We take the strip parallel to x-axis. So next figure is, line is this. Take the strip of this. T equal to x and t equal to t. And after, for the second limit of x equal to 0 and x equal to infinity. We change the order of integration of this. Understand all the steps. If you any problem, then you say, write my comment box, and after discussion, the next video. We love next. We see that change the order of integration. Step of this 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. E to the power minus st and limit of change 0 to t. It means limit change in the form of x to infinity. Change the integration. X to infinity. Then f1x, f2 t minus x dt and dx, dt and dx. If limit in term of x, then we say that the function of x will be constant. Integration of 0 to infinity f1x dx, integration x to infinity e to the power minus st, and f2 or t minus x and dt. Now we let 0 to infinity f1x and dx, x to infinity e to the power minus s, t plus of x minus of x plus and x minus, or f2 t minus x and d. 0 to infinity f1x dx, x to infinity e to the power minus s, t minus x, and s and x e to the power minus xx, or f1 t minus x and dt. Sorry, dt. 0 to infinity, this term is x, so we x term is constant e to the power minus xx, f1x and dx. Second, x to infinity e to the power minus x, t minus x and f2 t minus x and dt. Now let t minus x equal to u and dt, x is constant, equal to d. Now change the limit. Now change the limit. Here the limit for t and then limit for u. Then t equal to x. Then x minus x equal to u. It means u equal to 0. And t equal to infinity, then infinity minus x equal to u, then u equal to infinity. 0 to infinity e to the power minus sx, f1x dx. 0 to infinity e to the power t minus x, value of this u minus s and u, f2 t minus x, f2u and d. Value of this by the definition of Laplace transform e to the power minus s1x, f1 this, value of this f1 of x. 0 to infinity e to the power minus का sx, f2 x or dx by the definition of definite integral x change to u. No change of function. If x change to u या u change to x, no change in the function. So value of this f1s और आपका f2 of s. Understand? We find f1s, the Laplace of 0 to t, f1t, f2 t minus x dx equal to F1s and F2s. Proof of convolution theorem. Understand all the students, most important theorem for the exam purpose and competitive exams. Then if you any problem, you inform me by the comment box, a comment. Then I sort out your problem and shortly. If you new viewer in my YouTube channel, so I please request you subscribe my channel, shares and likes.